In today's video, I will walk you through how to add volume weighted average price or VWAP in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and enter your chart workspace where your trading layout is already set up. Once your chart is visible on the screen, move to the upper right-hand corner and look for the indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the indicators icon to open the indicators panel. Inside the Indicators panel, click Add Indicator to view the available list of indicators that can be added to your chart. After the indicators list appears, you can either scroll through the available options manually or use the search box to find the indicator faster. Click into the search field and type VWAP, or continue scrolling until you locate the indicator in the list. Once you find the VWAP indicator, click on it to add it directly to your chart. After selecting the indicator, Robinhood Legend will automatically apply it to the active chart in your workspace. You will now see the VWAP line displayed on your chart, confirming that it has been added successfully. Beside the VWAP name, click on Settings to open the customization menu for the indicator. This settings panel will allow you to adjust the available options connected to the VWAP indicator. Inside the Settings section, review the available controls and make any changes you want. For the indicator setup, continue through the Settings panel and adjust the options according to your preferred chart appearance. As you make updates inside the Settings menu, the changes will automatically apply to the chart in real time, so you can immediately see how your adjustments affect the VWAP display. If you need to refine it later, you can always return to the same Settings panel and make additional edits at any time. The VWAP indicator will remain visible and active on the chart while you continue using the platform. At this point, you have successfully added the volume-weighted average price indicator and open the Settings menu for customization inside Robinhood Legend.